crazy right now. Them little niggas going at it. Chill. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Give me that little piece of rice. Oh, no. Give me that little grain of rice. No, give me that. Oh, shit. I'm not with it. Chill. It's either that or they're having some rough bird love. Oh, nah, they going in. Shit. Oh, he's space. So bring it. Come on, my square. Come across this line. I dare you. Pull up. Oh, shit. I'm a little bird, but I'm really an eagle trapped in a little bird body. Yeah, nigga, I'm a hawk. What up? Oh shit, going crazy. Hope they like kissing and shit. Like they look like. Nah. I'm about to communicate with them. That's enough. Is it clear? Oh, this looks beautiful though. Crazy, chill. Who gonna win? You know I can't do it. I can't even tell who. Until I'm different. Oh shit. Come on, crazy, bro. He really ate the last piece of bread. He probably flew away. You know how them little birds be taking little pieces of food and they be flying away? Probably caught him on this block, like, yeah. Add it under the car and all that. People passing, they don't give a fuck, nothing. They like, nigga, oh shit. Yo, they probably locked on or something. Nah, he killing him, bro. That's how them little birds be trying. Yo, he trying to get out. Look, he trying to dip. Nigga like, nah, make the fuck over. Yo, you can't even see him. Yo, bro, what's up? I'm gonna have to break it up, chill. This is going crazy. Let's see how we go closer. He's killing him. He's killing him. He's killing him, bro. I put my cameras all the way zoomed in. I'm trying to show that exactly what's going on. On top of him. He's eating his food. Man, he gonna kill him, bro. I'm gonna have to squat down and see this shit. Killing him. I'm not trying to interfere. Shit going crazy right now. I'm trying to keep recording, but niggas going crazy right here. I look crazy though right now recording this shit. It looks like I'm recording a fucking car. People driving by like, what the fuck is nigga doing recording? It looks like I'm recording traffic. I'm trying to record. Oh, he did. Oh, yeah. Oh, he followed him up there? Oh, it's like a gang of them niggas up there. That's a fat little one right there. Damn, that nigga's chunky. That's probably the mom. She probably the big homie. He probably sent that nigga to go get him. Like, yo, bro, tight. He's beefing. Yeah, that was crazy. Let me see if I can catch some hawks today. Know the vibe. Yo, that was crazy. Little bird fight. That was a good one. They went at it.